When you're ready for your drive lines, I like to measure from the hole on one end to the hole on the other end. Here you can see it's looking at about 170 millimeters. So you'd use that measurement to then determine the length of the drive line that you need. It comes in two pieces. And so for this, I went with 130 for both sides. That gives us a lot of overlap and still plenty of movement to stretch that out. You then slide it into position and attach with your screws. Be sure to rotate around and attach the other side as well. For connecting the axles, we also use this piece here. Attach with screws, rotate around, and attach the other side again. And there we have our drive line and our axle connect. Everything should spin nice and freely. There should not be any binding even through suspension travel.